Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's go ahead and ask Leo for more educated idioms or proverbs again, okay? 我们再一次呢要来这个请教 Leo 老师呢来介绍一些非常有智慧的谚语给我们听，好不好？
冇問題。
All right， 到底今天要教什么样的好谚語？
好，今天要教大家的这个呢，就跟我们的节氣有關係了。叫做搶命前後思田，
搶命前後思田，
搶命後後中挑。
搶命後後中挑，搶命，請問搶命是什麼？好像你要請問我什麼？
對，搶命這一天呢，大家都會去做一件事情，那就是掃墓。
哎呀，我怎么这么笨啊？没想到，就是这个月呢会过的一个很重大的节日嘛，就是清明节 ，the Qingming Festival, which takes place this month. It's also known as the Tomb Sweeping Festival.
这个呢是说就在清明这一天之前呢，就是很适合插秧。那清明过了之后呢，我们就适合来种豆子。
这一定有它的道理在，对不对？
哎，对啊。清明节你是想以前有人讲过说叫清明时节雨纷纷嘛。
对。
清明节之前呢，那个雨水比较多，所以适合来插秧种稻子。那清明节之后呢，天气比较好了，我们就可以来种豆子。
I see. So this is kind of a reference to something else, but literally what it means is before Qingming Festival, it usually rains a lot, and that's the best time to plant seedlings. But then after Qingming Festival, the weather is getting better, and planting beans at that time is the best. 所以它的含义到底是什么呢？
这句话的意思就是说我们要照着这四季的变化来种不同的植物，那就能丰收啦。
对。
衍生到现在的意思呢，就是说我们在做人处事上要把握时机，就能达到那个事半功倍的效果。
I see. It really is referring to, doing and saying the right thing at the right time. Everything has its own order, and you should follow that order. All right, let's hear this explanation fully in English.
There's a Hakka saying, plant rice seedlings before Qingming, plant beans after Qingming. Qingming refers to the Qingming festival, and this saying means that there's a time for everything. Just as we should plant crops at the right time in order to enjoy a good harvest, so we should speak and act at the right time in order to be successful in life.
And now let's have Leo repeat the phrase one more time, the idiom.
搶命前後思田，搶命後後中挑。
And there you go, another educated idiom for you on Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.